Okay, Nightheart here again. Okay, since I didn't know what I was doing, and I'm an idiot, it's going to be two videos of the same thing. I was taking you around from where the Bentley was and all the yachts to where Jeff Bezos' rocket launching ship is, and there's a couple of tugboats over here. I am gonna get close enough to videotape all that, but with the sun's glare, I can't see what I'm taping. So hopefully it'll come out right. Well, let's get out and give it a shot. We're gonna go over to the harbor. Okay, this is an attempt to do this from the shade, where I can see a little bit better. But anyway, that is Jeff Bezos' rocket launching ship. That's the one he's supposed to be able to launch those rockets that goes off into outer space. I'm not exactly sure how it works, how it's gonna work, but that thing's been there over a year. And here, that's one of the tugboats that pushes that thing around. I'm not sure if that thing even moves by itself. It's been so long. Hey, in fact, is that a hole in it? I'm not even gonna be for sure. Down there at the bottom, there's two rocks sticking out of the bottom of it. I don't know. Anyway, and there's another tugboat. Let me see if I can get a little closer. There's some guy taping over here. I'm not sure what the heck he's doing. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's give it a shot. Let's see what we're doing here. That's the tugboat. That's a hole in the sidewalk. So Nightheart can do this without falling through one of these holes. Alright. See if we can do this. That's the hole that we're trying not to fall in. Oh, look, he's painting. That's what he's doing. I thought he had another YouTube channel. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if we can enhance that a little bit. Yeah, that's a great shot of the back of his head. Awesome. Anyway, tugboat. The back half of Bezos' ship. Pretty cool looking. Not exactly sure how old that joker is, but from what I was told, it was a retired cargo ship. But they've been working on it for over a year. And there's another tugboat. And that's rich people's doctor's office. Don't judge me, my doctor's office is in there, but insurance pays for it. Anyway, so here we go. This is my two videos for today. Look, there we go. Oh, let's get it off of it. Yep. Anyway, there you go. Tugboat, rocket launching ship, supposedly. All right, this thing makes me almost think of what was that movie? I know it's not a fishing vessel. What was that movie though? Perfect Storm. Anyway. Alright, let's go check out the painting a little bit. Man, it's kind of cool. Now he's gonna stick his big ass in the way. I mean, big butt in the way again. can't even draw stick people. Let's see. Do this without falling down. Okay. Pause you again if I can even find pause in all this sunshine. Okay. So that's my 2 videos for today. I just thought you might like it. There was a beach, a park where you could go to the